This is a 1997 Chevrolet K-Series. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 7.4-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a power passenger seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.